In a world where a farmer plants hope into the soil and reaches out to the abundance and blessing, our duty is to do the best of the best for the millers who grind those blessing grains. Unormak. We began working hard for our country and adding value to the national economy in 1987. We have grown up along with our goals in pursuit of our dreams. Today, in our modern factory equipped with the latest technology, we are writing the successful continuation of our story, which started in a small workshop. In our 50,000 square meter factory with high production capacity, we produce qualified milling machines that fulfill the promise of high performance and quality and have proven their superiority in the sector. For floor and semolina factories, we are the name of quality in the sector with our production of cleaning units, grinding units, packaging units, automation and yield systems, grind storage systems, transportation equipment and spare parts. We are Turkey's leading milling machinery supplier with our turnkey projects as well as producing individual machines. With our products designed without compromising quality standards, our experienced technical staff and our service that put customers' expectations at the center of our business, we are happy to add new and satisfied customers to our reference list every day. Thanks to the importance we planned on development and innovation, we are a successful company that exports 60 countries all over the world. We have a team working hard and produce with love. We have goals, growing along with our dreams. Not only follow us, but to be the pioneers of innovations. We work hard and strong. Unormak, world's milling technology.